Smile.
The following film is a work of fiction. It is loosely based on historical events and is in no way meant to be historically accurate. Except for the talking turkeys. That part is totally real.
Holidays. The whole world loves them. That's why there's so many. Christmas. Easter. Hanukkah. The one thing they all have in common? Food. Like Thanksgiving. That's what it's all about. A time to sit down over the holiday meal. It's everyone's favorite part. Unless, of course, you are the meal. My name's Reggie, by the way. I'm the turkey screaming for his life. Thanksgiving is a turkey's worst nightmare. And trust me, I've tried to warn them. You don't get it. They're fattening us up so they can eat us.
It's such a beautiful day.
This is the best day ever.
Probably the best day of my life.
Hey, corn!
And every year, they don't listen. I'm not gonna dress it up. Turkeys are dumb.
Corn.
Really dumb.
Hey guys, check it out.
Turkeys are so dumb, they think the farmer is their friend.
Oh, he's the best.
so nice.
I love the farmer. Hey!
Percy's going to Turkey Paradise! Turkey Paradise.
Go, Percy, you lucky son of a gun!
See what I mean? But the truth is, I've always been a little bit different. From the very beginning, I never felt like I fit in.
Our world is made of corn. Leafy corn. Corn. Fire corn!
That's an awesome theory, but I think they actually call that the sun.
Out!
But I kept trying.
No.
Hey, Aspen. Your wings must be tired because it looks like you flew straight out of heaven.
Seriously?
You want to fly, Bobby?
I guess it's just you and me.
Beat it, weirdo. Yeah, that's what I thought.
And trying. When you're in a flock, you know you belong to something bigger, that you're not alone.
Reggie, it's chilly.
Reggie, you're cold.
Let's get out of here, Reggie.
At least that's what I hear.
Listen up. Reggie's been right all along. They are fattening us up so they can eat us. They're right outside.
Finally, after all these years, that's what I've been waiting to hear. Reggie was right. Now, I don't want to go toot my own horn, but toot toot. Okay, now, here's the plan. When they open the doors, we run for the hills. Go team!
Give him Reggie.
What?
Yeah, give him Reggie. He's the anti-corn.
Whoa, you got it all wrong.
Sacrifice it. We gotta stick together on this.
So after all that, I was about to become Thanksgiving dinner.
Please,
We
I
are all
beg you.
clear.
No.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the United States.
Thank you all for being here today.
Or was I?
I came to this humble family farm for one of my favorite presidential traditions, the pardoning of the Thanksgiving turkey. Only one special bird will be spared from this terrible yet delicious fate.
Daddy, it's this one! This is the one I want right here!
Sweetheart, I think we're gonna go with a bigger turkey, okay?
Please, 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 please,
Sweetheart, I
please,
love you.
please.
That turkey's not big enough. Now, don't do that. No. This is your pardon turkey. Happy Thanksgiving, little fella.
Come on, Birdie, let's go! We're going to the helicopter. And right over there is a fence, and that's a seagull, and there's a cow, and a chicken, and that's Paul. He's getting a divorce. Yay! That's a bald guy, and that's the girl who likes my daddy. But don't tell anyone. Birdie. Don't worry, you're safe. You're the pardon turkey. I'm tired now.
I'm the pardon turkey. I'm the pardon turkey. I'm gonna live. I'm the pardon turkey. This is blowing my mind. Turns out my life wasn't over, and a whole new life was just beginning.
This is your new home, turkey.
Mr. President, you have returned to Camp David.
That's General Sagan. He's got issues. That's Marcia. She eats her feelings. We're gonna have so much fun. I promise I will never, ever leave you. Oh, wait, TV! I'm tired now.
Previously on Mundo del Amor.
What is this?
One-eyed orphan Alejandro is thrown out of the orphanage for being different.
They threw him out too. I know exactly how that feels.
Rejected by all, Alejandro lives alone in the streets of Tijuana until one day he becomes a man.
Oh, man. Whoa!
Are you having a hunger emergency?
I am.
Do you need to eat right now?
I do.
Well, we can save the day with pizza.
Yes, that looks way better than corn.
Call 1-800-PIZZA. Get pizza delivered right now.
Whoa.
Alejandro starts his new company, El Solo Lobo, and makes $1 million pesos. He buys a jet, he buys a tiger, and becomes Tijuana's greatest lover. No, yo soy El Solo Lobo.
El Solo Lobo. I always thought being part of a flock was what I wanted, but maybe I was wrong. Yeah. A warm bed, TV, and all the pizza I could eat. I finally had it all. Everything was perfect.
Will Alejandro ever find true love? Or is he destined to be alone forever?
Sounds like a pretty good destiny to me, Alejandro.
Find out on the next Mundo del Amor.
This is your destiny.
What?
Whatever you do, do not make a sound. I'm Jake from the TFF. That's Turkey Freedom Front. You've just been recruited for a top-secret mission.
Ah! Help! I've been kidnapped by a wild turkey! Security! Set tasers to kill! Ah!
What was that?
Oh!
Love your enthusiasm, comrade. Ah! But you're running in the wrong direction. Besides, we're already behind schedule.
We're behind schedule?
We are? Why didn't you say so? Let's move!
Look, I think you have me confused with somebody else. I'm not part of any mission.
Ah. Horizon seems clear. Hold on.
Hey, wait! It's me! It's the Spartan Turkey! Help me!
A strange rogue turkey. Stay back. I'll take him out.
Ah! Please don't hurt me.
I don't know who you are, but you're seriously jeopardizing this operation.
Are you insane? It's me!
Is it? Is it really?
Would you get off me? You know what? I'm sick of you throwing me around. You see this line? Do not come into my personal space. Did you not see the line? Because I was pretty clear that it's right.
Snap out of it, Reggie.
Wait, how did you know my name?
Because he told me everything about you.
He? Who is he?
The Great Turkey. He appeared in the sky on a bright ball of light with a voice that came from everywhere. He gave me my mission, told me I needed to find you, and then he gave me this.
A doorknob.
The sacred time knob.
This guy is a lunatic.
Now, that secret military base should be right up ahead. The facility should be in here. Just need to figure out how to get past this impenetrable gate. So, this is what it looks like on the inside.
Okay, what's inside this, secret base anyway?
A time machine.
A time machine?
A time machine.
A time machine.
A time... What? Who told you that?
You did just now.
Of course I did. I was testing you. That's our mission. Not to save 10 turkeys or even 100, but all of them. We're going back in time to the first Thanksgiving to get turkeys off the menu. That's right. We're going back in time to the first Thanksgiving to get turkeys off the menu.
Who are you talking to?
This guy right here. He totally gets it. Look, see how he's nodding? Hello, soldier. Welcome to the Turkey Freedom Front.
I'm just gonna let you two get acquainted.
Scanning area.
What are you doing? Not binoculars.
Wait. There's our target. Let's go.